Alright, welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Today for you at Dyno, we got one of our awesome new 7.3 liter Godzilla motors. This happens to be the entry-level 5.25 horsepower model, and man, does this thing run awesome. Go over a little bit about the way this motor is set up. For customization purposes, we can design this thing to go into any early hot rod of yours, from Cobra kit cars to Mustangs to your F100s. Perfect, nice little piece. New technology in your early car is going to get you pretty decent gas mileage and reliability. Setup on these things, we're going to go all out on these things. We're going to have different intake choices. So this happens to be the factory plastic style manifold. We're going to have a few different sheet metals. We're going to offer this motor with a Whipple supercharger on it. You want valve covers, a nice choice. These happen to be the Powered by Ford valve covers by Indy. Beautiful upgrade off the stock. We're also going to offer a few other options as well that might even be able to be painted to match your vehicle, or a design that would go with it as well. If you want the motor custom painted to match your vehicle, that's also an option here at Proformance Unlimited. We do it quite often. Pulley systems are going to range, right now we're using the CVF pulley system on this motor. He just chose to go with the alternator power steering AC because he's building an early retro Mustang. That should be absolutely awesome in this thing. If you guys have any questions on these designs, feel free to give us a call at any time at 800-267-3940. Let's take you over to Dyno. I know you guys are going to be really impressed.